And of course, so many other times before in the past, I had a shorts video come up saying, would you buy this stock or not? And this is the results. Of course, and I use a cool little new tool to pretty much will see the complete insider's information about that one stock. And it's done extremely well for me in the past couple of months. Simply Wall Street. Let's have a little overview if I would really buy it or not. The big factor is right there. Tells me everything I need to know. First front page, right? Company overview. Click on all the risks. And there's a lot that's in the fail category. So that known, I always look for that at future growth. Nope. Financial health. Interesting. But I think that might be over way more time. And the time is right now. Right now, not the thing. There is dividends. And of course, I go to the very top. And I always look for that of the competitors more than anything else. Are the competitors just as good or just as crappy as that one stock? So, would I buy any of those? Would you buy any of those? You can see complete details yourself on any kind of stock down below in that description. And it's free for 30 days, after which it's $250 per year. It seems like a lot. But I tell you right now, I've been using it for the last couple of months, and it was my savior from that of day trading, because I can no longer day trade anymore. It's just too hard in my brain. So, with all that said, I just spend 5 to 10 minutes a day checking all this out and seeing where my portfolio is going. And that's just a heck of a lot easier than that of day trading. So I do the combination of both that Simply Wall Street and that of the Fear and Greed Index for the full details of where everything's going. So, that said, have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. Check out my community page. Check out that description down below. And I'm out the door. Ciao.